So we start with a pretty standard DUI stop, but the second this car pulls over, it's like the driver decides to speed run the worst choices possible. Honestly, you're going to lose count of how many chances they get to just chill out before things go completely sideways.
Why are you getting out of the car? Why are you getting out of the car? Step back. Step back. I did not tell you to get out of the car.
You're gonna tase me?
Walk to the back of your car.
You're gonna tase me?
Walk to the back of your car.
Excuse me, why don't Scott!
Turn around.
I don't feel safe.
Okay.
I'm gonna call my
Turn around. Do not reach into your bag. I will tase you if you reach into your bag. Turn around.
Okay, you see this, right?
Turn around.
I will drop my bag for you. Are you a newbie? How long you been on the force, dude? You're
Turn
watching the
around.
whole thing, right? That's my neighbor.
Turn around.
Scott!
Turn around. Place your hands behind your head.
What?
You're driving off the side of the roadway. You didn't use your turn signal and you're speeding when you passed me.
Right? You're
Okay.
kidding.
I've ordered you multiple times to turn around and place your hands behind your head. Now turn around and put your hands behind your head.
Can I get my boyfriend?
No. Put your hands behind your head. Are you an adult?
I'm 35 years old.
Okay. You're an adult and you can do this yourself.
My mother is 3.
Look, ma'am, I don't want to hurt you, but if you don't listen to me, I'm going to have to.
You're gonna tase me?
I will have to if you don't listen to me.
You're a little pumped up. Why are you squeezing my hand so hard?
Because you keep not listening to me. Stop.
Okay,
Please.
Do you know who,
Stop.
Do you know who the...
Okay, well, you smell like alcohol, too. Maybe that's why you're swerving all over the road.
You know who Dennis Ward is? Why don't you call him?
What does he have to do with this traffic stop?
Because if you take me to jail, it might, yeah.
What might it
I'll blow.
do?
Go ahead. Let me blow. You're joking. How long you been in the force? What year are we at? Bro, you're new. I'm 7th generation
Okay.
Floridian. You probably aren't
Please
from
stay.
bro.
Stay.
Like, you're talking to me like a dog. Stay or what?
Okay,
dude?
well, I've
Stay
given
or
you
what?
orders as a normal human, and you don't seem to
No,
respond
you're
to that.
not. You're talking to me like I'm an animal, like a dog. Sit, stay. Like, look at your hand pressing on me, bro. You don't
Okay.
have to touch me.
I do.
I'm not a criminal. I don't have drugs on me, dude. I don't have any pot, any...
Okay, stop.
Search
Stop.
my car.
Stop.
No, it's...
Stop. Stop.
Please call your supervisor.
No,
Why?
because I don't need to.
Call your supervisor.
I don't need to.
I think you do.
Do you have anything else on you?
No, I don't. What kind of police state is this? Are you... Really?
Yeah, you're going to jail.
Going to jail for what?
For
Can
resisting.
I get my purse?
No.
Resisting?
Yes.
I'm going to jail for resisting.
When you don't.
And just like that, they cross the line. Talking back turns into wrestling, and congrats. This is no longer a friendly chat about drinking and driving. It's an arrest. Since talking nicely clearly didn't work, the cops have to get hands-on.
Don't
Can I
listen
get
to
my
me.
cash out of my purse so I can make bond?
Okay. Sit down.
Holy f***.
Sit down.
Serious?
Yes, you're going to jail.
For what?
First off, you're drunk and you're driving a car.
I'm not drunk and drive. Let me
Okay.
blow.
Be that as
Can I
it may,
blow?
you're resisting.
Can I blow?
No, not right now.
I know my rights.
Okay, fantastic. Well,
Can I
one
at
of
least
your rights
let
is the
my
right to remain
boyfriend
silent.
know?
I suggest you do that right now.
Can I at
Put your
least
feet
let my
in the car.
boyfriend know to come pick me up?
No, you can call him at the jail. Put your feet in.
I don't know his phone number.
Put your feet
my
in, please.
phone's dead.
Yeah, I need you to put your feet
Can you
into
look me
the
up
car.
and make sure I'm not a criminal? You can't just take me like this.
I can
have
actually.
Kids and a job. Like, please.
Okay.
Can we talk?
Can
we
you
have
put your feet into
yeah,
the car,
can we have a
please?
talk?
Yep.
My purse is...
Yep, I'll get it.
Can we have a
Put
talk?
your feet in.
Please don't take me to jail. Are you serious?
Yes, you're going to jail, Darla. Keep your feet
I
in
need
there.
my money. You gotta make
Inside.
bail, bro. Please, can you get my money?
5, 9, 6, 7, 7. Buzzball chillers. Prednisone. Yeah, she's drunk, and just as soon as I try to pull her over, she speeds up. But I'm gonna test her for DUI. Okay,
Like,
so
get a ticket, please. I'm a good, outstanding citizen. I'm a mother of 3. I'm a member of this community. I work for Del Rose. Like, I'm trying to do real estate, trying to do better in my life. I'm not drunk. I'll blow for you. Like, I'm good. It just you scared me. I'm not gonna lie. I've been dating this guy that lives here for about 6 months. We just got in a fight, and I was coming here to get my stuff.
your response to all of this was not correct. You speed away from
I
me.
didn't see you. I'm sorry. I had the music up, and I'm crying. He just broke up with me at the gas station. At least tell him, like, to come get me, because I don't want to walk from Key West.
I thought you guys just broke up. He's gonna come pick you up.
I'm sure. I'd hope so.
I'll try to do him at the jail. If she passes FSCs, then... Oh, I'm getting sloppy. I didn't look in the glove box. Yeah, she only had like $90 in her purse. Is this all 20s?
Are you kidding me? Come on, dude. I hate cops. I have 3 kids, and I got back taxes. So
I was gonna say, that's a lot of
know why
20s.
You're making a public display. You catch real bad guys, not like a mother of 3 trying to better herself. You're unreal. You make me want to buy an island out in the middle of nowhere and get away from everybody.
Darla, are you bipolar by any chance?
No, I backed the blue till y'all made me black and blue, and I don't trust the police. How's that?
Till we made you black.
Keep my mouth shut, and we're just gonna go on about your day, but I hope you feel good about yourself. You sound younger than me, and it's hard to respect.
Well, that's ageist.
If you have 3 kids and you're seasoned, and you
How do you know I don't have 7 kids? Are you gonna do it, though?
Yeah.
No, please don't tow my car. Like, Scott, please don't tow my car.
Hey, Scott. Hey, what's going on, Scott?
Babe.
Because things were chaotic enough, enter the boyfriend. Spoiler alert, he does absolutely nothing to help. He just makes a tense situation way worse and forces the cops to split their focus.
Babe, please. Babe, I didn't
Hello,
do
is
nothing.
that your girlfriend, Darla?
It
is.
Babe.
So she's gonna go to jail.
Babe.
What?
Well, she tried to run from me, and then she got out of her car and started coming towards me. And I gave her a lot of orders to go back to her car and turn around, and she wouldn't do it.
That's illegal. Copy a suicide threat to racetrack.
Okay, I think we're done talking. If you don't understand how that's illegal.
You guys did your job, huh?
Yeah, she's gonna go to Key West jail.
What was she getting pulled over for?
For a lot of different things that don't concern you. She's an adult.
I get that, but she is my concern, so you should owe me some.
Are you her lawyer?
Are you a lawyer, dude?
I'm not. I'm a police officer.
Talk to me. I need to know.
I don't have
what's
to.
going on.
She's an adult.
I get
You
that.
see what she's doing right now, right? This is why she's going to jail.
That's not illegal behavior.
It is illegal.
That's not. Knocking on the door is not illegal.
If I tell you with this badge and these lights on, if I tell you
Actually, I
to
have
back away
there has
from
to
me
be- there has to be
and
a
you don't do it,
a crime committed. There has to be a crime committed for you to arrest somebody, right?
okay.
On what suspect? What crime did she commit for you to arrest?
Again, she's an adult. I don't need to explain
her?
this.
You do.
By what?
As an employee to me, you need to.
An employee to you.
I pay taxes, right?
That's a good.
yeah,
Okay.
so
Scott, we're done talking.
No, we're
Unless
not.
you want to
No,
go
no.
in the back of my car as well.
For what crime?
Well, because I told you we're done talking right now. I'm doing an
That's not
investigation.
illegal. That's not illegal to talk to you this way.
Okay. Well, you're
So
standing
what-
in the middle of the street right now.
So
you
are
can't
you.
do that. Yeah,
So
I
are
know.
you.
I'm on a traffic stop. Again, you're not her lawyer. She's an
She
adult.
doesn't need a lawyer right now. She needs to understand her rights as a basic.
I don't
human
have to
being.
explain that
Yes,
to you.
you do. Yes,
You're
you
not
do.
her lawyer.
What crime
She's
did
an
she
adult.
commit?
I
What
don't
crime?
have to tell you that.
Then tell her that.
I did tell her that.
Let me hear it.
No.
Yeah.
Hey.
I don't understand.
You're not the deciding factor. You're nothing involved.
I'm just making sure her rights aren't violated.
Okay, and you can read in the report. That's what the justice system is for.
I need
That's
to
why she
understand
goes
why
to
a
court.
crime.
Darla,
This is
stop.
hurting really bad. Can you just
What crime did she commit?
You're turning your hands.
It's so tight. Can you unloose it just a little bit, please?
Oh.
Okay.
It's
You
hurting.
need to stop kicking in the back of the car,
but
please.
I have a disability, and
just
can
a
you
boyfriend.
please
I'm just
a
a
little
boyfriend.
bit, please? I have lupus.
Dude, you're a little.
Fuck, man, damn.
Don't
okay.
act like a little.
Okay.
Don't act like
Wow,
a little.
words, big words.
For a public figure,
Big
for a
words.
public employee, dude.
Yeah.
Again, what crime did she commit?
So we're telling the car, okay? So you can't go over to the car right now,
Or what?
or I will put you in handcuffs.
For what? For grand theft?
I'm telling you not to.
This is Scott's absolute last chance to walk away. Literally, all he has to do is take 2 steps back and mind his own business. But whether he sleeps in his own bed tonight or on a jail cot depends entirely on his next move.
To go to the car right now
For
because,
what?
because
What
we're
crime
towing it.
For
That
okay.
vehicle is seized now, okay? It's
How?
being towed. How? It was used
How?
in a crime, okay?
What crime?
I don't have to tell you that. She's a big girl. She's an adult. You're not her lawyer. You're not her father.
And you're acting like a child, dude. How old are you? 24?
No, I'm 16. You're now
it
my
sounds
boss.
like you're not doing your jobs very well.
Okay, then make a complaint. My name is Deputy Jonathan Lane.
No.
Sir, can you stop stepping towards us?
Not at all.
Oh, are you threatened?
Yeah.
In my business attire, are you threatened with?
I don't know you, but I'm about to turn around.
Yeah. Good. Good one. You do this often?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell.
Can you turn on the AC? It's hot as in here, please. Can you turn on the AC,
The AC
please?
is on.
It's hot back here.
Do you want the window down?
Anything, please. Yeah, so I can say goodbye to my lover. Oh my god, I hope he comes and picks me up. It'll be the best sex ever. He can come down here in jail. Can you turn up the song?
The song?
Yeah, I love Tyler Stiller. You're not a bad dude. I get it. I can't wait to go to court. I hope you show up. This will be great. I'm gonna make a documentary, actually.
You walked away. You didn't even take the business card?
Did you take yours?
Yeah, you took mine.
I don't need your shit.
Back up. Back up.
Litter?
Stop.
Litter?
Stop.
Really?
Back up.
Now I'm getting.
Back up.
Really?
Babe, don't get arrested!
You want to take him too?
What crime is this one?
We keep telling you to stay back from
I did that
us.
for her personal protection.
You're throwing stuff on the ground. You smell like alcohol. You're obviously drunk.
I'm allowed to be. Am I driving? Am I committing a crime?
No, but I told you already I don't want you coming up to me because I feel
asked
unsafe by you.
questions.
Okay.
What in my business attire, bro?
Whoever's listening, yeah, you hear me? Fuck the keys. 7th generation Floridian. I'm disappearing. I hate this place. Moron County.
Scott, I'll give you one last chance. If you want to walk away,
I just want her keys.
We'll let you.
Protection.
Okay, we will ask her.
Thank
You don't
you.
walk up like that, acting crazy. Literally. I gave you out here. That's littering. If you want to be technical, that's littering.
you're balling your fists up when you walk up to us. You grab it out of his hand.
I'll watch
You
the body
snatched
cam.
it out of his hand.
I'll watch the body cam.
I watched you do it. You
Okay,
snatched
you
it out
said
of his
I got
hand,
one
then you
last
throw it
chance,
on the ground.
And I have her personal possession.
I love you, baby.
We really don't.
Ah, well, that was incredibly stupid. Grabbing that item and getting in the cops' faces officially turned Scott from a spectator into a criminal. Pro tip, physically baiting the police is a one-way ticket to the pavement.
I don't need to take both of you to jail just because you're upset, okay?
No shit.
So I need you to calm down.
Wasting my time.
Are you going to calm down? Okay.
I'm talking in a calm fashion.
Okay.
Come on. I gotta pee.
If you show up on a traffic stop that I'm legally and lawfully conducting, that is obstruction. That is obstruction still.
How come he got to go, but I couldn't?
We can take you to jail too. We can make this as inconvenient for both of you. I don't want to do that.
Can you ask her if I can have her shit?
This could have been all solved just like that.
Don't talk to me.
Well, you're something.
No, I just know where you stand and I stand.
You're something.
I know, I get it.
How come he could go, but I couldn't?
Do you want him to take your stuff?
Scott, will you bail me out if he gives you my wallet? What? What the fuck?
Hold on. We're not talking to each other right now, okay?
Why not?
Because you have nothing to do with
it. The crime?
Baby, bail me out.
I will, babe.
Here,
We gotta
she
figure
wants
it
you to
out.
take her wallet with her money. No.
I got her.
Stop.
Man, get my wallet.
Are you shitting me? That's her
Stop.
personal.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop grabbing out of my car.
Okay.
Back up. Go away now. This is your last chance, dude. You're going to grab out of my... Back up. Back up!
I'm on.
Back up.
Oh, you're gonna get
Back
okay.
up. Yeah, I'm telling you to
I'm
back
on my
up.
hands behind
You're
my
running
back.
over to me,
I'm
walking
not.
up behind me, grabbing
Dude,
stuff
are
out
you
of my
that
car.
scared of me?
Stop.
Goodbye.
If you get closer to me
Goodbye.
again,
Goodbye.
I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Goodbye.
Dude, what the fuck, man? It's the same, literally the same thing that he's doing is what she was doing.
Yeah, it's true love. And we're gonna have awesome makeup sex. We're gonna have the best makeup sex when he picks me up out of jail, and we're gonna get back together. Thank you guys so much.
I'll turn the air up for you.
Oh my god, he's fucking taking my car out of a residential parking lot where my boyfriend lives. I'm gonna document this shit. It's going all over the internet. Your face, you're gonna be famous, bro. I've been waiting for this. Is it. I'm a journalist. Now you're bad guys to catch like murderers and rapers. Oh, you're scared of a 95-pound woman. Oh my god.
You want me to pull your strap up?
I've never not been able to talk to the supervisor.
No. I'm going to ask you to do field sobriety exercises.
Take my blood or take my breath.
Okay, that's not how
It's
it
already. You should have done this when you pulled me over on the side of the road.
Okay, so you don't want to do the field sobriety exercise?
So the cops actually give her a massive break and adjust her cuffs so she can do the sobriety test. This is her moment of truth. She can either play nice and help her own case, or keep acting up and throw away any chance of leniency.
Exercises.
I'm already in handcuffs. We're in jail, bud. This is too tight. Thank you so much, bro.
If I take the handcuffs off, are you going to do anything
Of
dumb?
course, I swear to God, bro. I'm already in jail. What am I gonna do? I promise. Bro, look at that. Is that right? No. Look at that. Is this okay?
Ma'am,
Is
ma'am,
this?
stop.
I get it.
What did
You're
I just-
hurting me, bro.
I know, but what did I just say?
I'm asking-
Now I got to put you back in these because
Back in
I just
cuffs.
told you, are you going to do anything stupid? And you just start pulling away from me. That's why I had you in handcuffs and I wouldn't loosen them at first because you were just going to do what you just did. The one exercise I can do with you is have you look at the tip of my finger right there. You see it? So just your eyes, don't move your head.
Look, this is a textbook example of how a simple traffic stop turns into a complete circus. When you try to run the show instead of just cooperating, you're begging for trouble. Every time you choose to fight instead of chill out, you're just digging yourself a deeper hole. What could have been a ticket is now a felony.